ladies, Shelli Pelly, I'm Parker Confidential. Welcome to my kitchen in Solana Beach, California, where I always love having you and you are always welcome in my home. Okay, so for today, I have for you a warm blueberry banana bake with vanilla and cinnamon. And if it sounds amazing, that's because it is. This is one of the recipes from my 28-day California Sugar Cleanse Reboot Your Life book, linked down below in my bio. It's all about eliminating added sugar from your life and helping you to live amazing, healthy, happy, and gorgeous. Okay, this is also part of my summer series of workouts and light recipes. So subscribe to my channel below, and every single week you're getting amazing, good, kick-ass workouts and light, healthy recipes to help you feel amazing all summer long. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I made this. You will love this for snacks, for breakfast, brunches, anything that you like. You can whip up a batch, throw it in the fridge, and it's super easy, grab and go all week long. Just stick it in the microwave, put a little almond milk on it, and you're good to go. All right, healthy, fast, light. Let's wash our hands, and I'm going to show you how I made it. Here we go, fresh from the oven, my blueberry banana quinoa bake with vanilla and cinnamon. Now this has been baking for about an hour and 15 minutes. My oven took a little bit longer, but you just want to check it and make sure that all the quinoa has absorbed. And that's it, that is the dish. So I'm just going to dish myself up a little bit. And this is so good and healthy and fast for you all week. Have it for breakfast, have it for brunch, have it for even a light snack. I mean, you can have whatever you want when you want, right? That's how I say it. Just a little bit, and then I just add a little splash of almond milk. Super healthy, it's filling, it's delicious. The blueberries are amazing with antioxidants, potassium and vitamins, and the banana and the quinoa is full of protein. And this is just so good. Okay, for health, wellness, beauty, style, skin, and all things healthy living, be sure to visit me on the blog, parkerconfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.